Manager CSR company star simen lomshnong king chu ke bora lembat ka kenhun dangshan ulalit penjurep Shnong Tuber Kmaishnong East Gentle District kabari ka way ni Shnong kabashim kya bha ha kaba pynneh pensa yaka khuid ka suba hapo shnong bat ulai ka Ïaroh yaka jinglah ka dor shnong ha kaba pynneh pensa yaka khuid ka suba ha shnong thao Katai ka jinglah jungo katanat CSR kadai halor ka jinglam nega campaign kabadan ki kintian phira kabaong tungin ra tingkong ki plastik bat banra ya kamariang kabalat ki jakria plastik bat panra tingkong ki jakria plastik bat ru halor kani ka star simen ka penpau bakalong kabakloy ban shimti ki jakria plastik nagi shnong ki thau ban thang ingkong ki haki pajwa ne ki clean hapo kani ka karkhana san dobilan kabadan halum shnong halor kani ka CSR kalakwa ru ba kinong shong shnong ki deiru ban shim kialam ha kaba kin sobha ban penya khlat lupa ya ki nyut ki paput bat ki nyut ki bamput kom ki plastic namar ka company kan shim tang ya ki nyut ki badai ki plastic bat kit sha company ban thang Haka jinjurup ka kenhun naktanat CSR star simen lomshnong kalaledru ban jingo ru yaka jaka brand nyon Shnong Tuber Kmaishnong lemban ka kali kinyon ban kit yaki berni ki bala dep tab yaki plastic jan ki ba jaklia ka kenhun kalalapru bakatei ka jaka brand nyon Shnong Tuber Kmaishnong wat la ka dei ka jaka ba bread bat pelang yaki nyon ki jabo henry kam shimnadan satia ka no jing smang utung kabami na kinyut bat ka nebaro ka day namar ka jingshim kya ka shnong hakaba ki bor panya shnong nadu ki snem ki balalen klala pan bo da ki nong tre hakatay ka jaka bathenyun bat ki nong tre kila tre ya ka kam hakaba ki ju panya klan ya ki nyut ki baput bat ki nyut ki bampun bat bo ya ki la ka jong hakaju ka por ki nong tre ki jishim kya ru hakaba pen khuid ya ka saudong saukun hakatai ka jaka brand nyon
इसको जाली मार देना ऐसे ऐसे करके रस्सी को बाद में जब खत्म होगा ना पूरा
लोहा में सुखाए जल्दी रस्सी से बांध के बांधने के लिए
My name is King Kamal Bora. I'm looking after the CSR activity of Star Cement Lunstong unit, and on behalf of our company, I must appreciate the work has been done by Darbar Sonong of Tubers, and we are really appreciable. I have visited the entire village also. It's so clean, and they have a very good systematic way to eliminate the plastic here. And this is a, I think it's a example for the other people. Even we people also learn from this village, and it is a it's kind of a practice that could be adopted by other village. As far as eliminating the plastic is concerned, we'll take away all these plastics from here, and we'll burn it in our clean. And I think if we all together join our hands, then definitely we'll at least minimize the single-use plastic and keep our environment neat and clean. Thank you.
Agar por ay kublay kam tam yagi star cement kwada chimkia hajing ito wow likit yagi ni plastik kwada belum pelangi kita pen koi pinggiri napa Shnong Tuber Kmaishnong kwada kawi langba jing em gani ka thau ini wa I daman ko thau pelang jep kwa belum wakidi saudong yung Shnong Tuber Kmaishnong nado wa hadu haning chim kialang gi nong snong wi kit kialang da yi skiet da bo le gi nong kre ini kantam hadu nru nyangut ki nong kre wo jet u pelang ni gi jep yo lait na gi sma na gi tung karo am te na liong nga sagawi bo ga jing request bo ga jing kerpat kantam yaw deputy commissioner u DCO Emburom yang i Saint Hill district yang i wa nyapa upani ka jingrap naki kamtam igi tuberong igi to wahe to kari ki jep te man ngo tu ko khien takaro kamte na liong igi par yaki u yerap ke i kamtam ki halor mo ne bha ani jing su ni le ko he ne bha I hini lagam nu le bhaus jar le bosan jar chipnai I su gi tulop yagi ni ginong jit jep de ke pon yung bar snong chem chu tomile ya ga pon wana ga leng bar snong de kerpat bo o jing kerpat ya gi wa halor kamtam na leng ka DC department na do ki nong mi khmat ki MLA MDC sao phao pai ya ka snong ka thau yong i nang wa yo yi i upen le ya ga khoi ka suba ne pha ka khoi ka suba wa em kam haduk ate kan wa kam te i na ga leng i kang da bar snong him mi ni ka jing kitle him mi ni ka jing bang khoi kam tam pai de yo man kam ni i stock i kam ni kit i kam ni te i da poi sa kita ki thau i dewa buram kam tam ya ka star cement wada wan lang ba star wada em lang ini te ai kuble pisar cibon wada em talang pi te kam tam ya hebtu hinam yang diwandar no diwandar lang ayo kuble ya ukau perlok wa maya yang wa hajan tam te karo kam te bo jing pa pi waro kam tam i kam gisnong keni to nuksa ya kiwitawan gisnong le i geni to lang ba jing em geni lang ba jing ya lang ki dor bar snong hiwaro wi yes khit ule ya ke kho ya ke jing yulti yo man ke jing khoj ke jing jinger lang ba wa phi ya khre lang phi yo chi bon to ke te ke jing man toy ha phardi ke jing khoj jing yer na do ki stom ki pang na do ki te ki bo jai busker haju ipor karpar request ya ka star cement kam tam usar em lang ini lada yi lada sa kalat kani sarok le dang chep tomi ulai de kari khandawam amni te karpat ki lada sa kalat ai i rabe i de skim yo yi no chna de cement yo suk no ki kit jep ki ulai wan agani ka thau tang te tin kublai sibon
As a responsible industrial house, Star Cement has taken another step towards the environment protection by utilizing the plastic waste which was collected by the Tuber Kmaishnong village. It was around more than 6,000 kg. We have collected from our transport and utilized in our kiln. Cement kilns are considered as the best incinerator and globally, which because the kilns are operating at very high temperature and complete destruction of the harmful compounds. So this is the best incinerator, and we have used this towards the cleaning drive of to support the cleaning drive by the Tuber Kmaishnong village, and we urge whosoever is segregating the plastic, we are further add to this support to this environment protection activity conducted by the village and Star Cement board together. Thank you very much.